I have Chuck came specially from LA to visit. He's staying at Orleans.
Yes. Orleans, stand right here.
Yeah, wife let him out, so now we have to do the tradition.
I just saw it on his other video.
Oh.
I had to come get my own.
Okay, left-handed. Okay, cheers.
Cheers. You say
Živeli.
Živeli.
Živeli, yeah. First one.
That's smooth. It's good.
Oh yeah. So how long you staying?
Till Christmas Eve. Go home on Christmas Eve.
So I'm at a Bellagio, really nice room. Actually, this is my first time here after 10 years. I'm here with Chuck, the happy face poker. He came from LA. Our wife gave him a free card out of jail for 3-4 days. So we played today, yesterday. Nothing significant to report, just regular. We'll see tonight. I had to make killing here. The Bruce is in the room. They opened the new table and Chuck is across the table over there. I am right here. So we see what happens. We just started the game and like in third hand I noticed there was a bet. A guy on Chuck's left made the bet. There was one call and Chuck making a raise. So I jumped on my camera. Maybe I should record the good hand. Flop was like 10 high, and after the raise, the guy on Chuck's left made the call. The other caller, he followed, like making a good pot, I assume. The river card was like 6 or something. Basically nothing on the board I see scary, and Chuck goes all in. Guy on his left calls for about over 100, and third guy is complaining to himself, why did I even call this? And he mucks. Chuck shows set of 8s. The other guy shows queen 10. So he has only one pair of 10s, top pair though, and he thinks he's good. What does he think Chuck has? Pair of 7s? I don't get them. Well, Chuck doubled up there, and I think in the next hand he also got another pot, about $100. So from initial 300 he was on 700. It started good. We played for 5 hours. I ended up being about 250 positive, and we left after midnight. Christmas in RV. We have everything. Turkey, peas, mashed potato, sweet potato, stuffing, cranberries, nice salad. This is a red pepper spread called Ivar. Merry Christmas. And traditional shots in the RV. Živeli.
Živeli. Oh.
Yeah.
Take 3.
I'm at Riviera RV Park, which is like east part of Las Vegas, just east on Sahara. I stayed here these last 3 days of Christmas, and as you can see, it's really nice, wide, open space. All these RVs that are around me, they look like permanent here because everybody has a little porch, shed or something, so they're not moving. Monthly rate is $470 plus electric. Place is really clean, wide, nice, and I'm impressed. And that's why I want to say, if anybody is looking to stay in Las Vegas in RV Park, I suggest this one. Rate is $39. If you have good SAM, it's $35. So that's really affordable for this really nice, clean place. The only thing I can complain, they have a pool, but it's really more like a tub. It's really small, useless. Well, I'm off now, back to adventure and hitting the road. Ho, ho, ho! No, it's not Santa, it's me, your Mr. Vegas. Come on, did I fool you? Hey, I have to hurry up before it's the end of the year. We have just a couple of days left, so here we're gonna finish here with the top 5. Year 2020 was cut in half. I didn't have enough time because from March through September I got stuck in Palm Springs with quarantine, COVID restriction, closings, openings and stuff. But I made a little trip and I was able to play some hands before COVID and restrictions and on this last little tour. So I picked 5 hands, 5 interesting hands from this year, but I want you guys to vote for the most interesting, or in your view, one of these 5. I'm gonna post on my community tab and you can vote. Let's see, by the end of the year, next 2 days, what's your opinion? Hand number 1 comes from first week in February. I was at the Sequan Casino in San Diego and I got pocket jacks. Pocket jacks. I have about, I don't know, 1,500 in front of me. I don't want to trouble with these jacks. I'm again on a cutoff for a button, I forgot. And there's a guy across the table. He makes it 20. I notice he makes 20 with Queen 10, King Jack, and hands like that. So I call with my jacks. Small blind calls. Flop is 10, King, 8. Does he have Ace King? I don't know. Small blind checks. He bets 25. Oh, so he has nothing. That's how I read it. I don't know what small blind has. Their draws. If I want this pot, I should bet now. But I don't want to blow up the pot, so I just call 25. Even if I lose, I want to lose a little. Turn is Jack. Now we're cooking. Now the small blind bets 50. Well, what does he want now? The raiser, original raiser, he goes all in. He had like 85, maybe 90, not more, less than 100. I look at the small blind. He has another 45 maybe in front of him. So I said, all in. He calls. Dealer puts the king on the river. I say, I win. Table my jacks. Small blind shows pocket tens. Wow, I got lucky there. Original raiser shows ace queen. Oh, so I beat, with the jack on a turn, I beat his flopped set. That made his straight, and I needed the river.
Good hand. Catching that jack on the turn. You got lucky there.
Yep. I have 1,800. I'm done. A week later, I moved to Ocean's 11, Oceanside, and there was this goofy hand. I think you know what I'm talking about. Watch. Next hand, 9 deuce of clubs. I'm gonna play 9 deuce. Maybe I get lucky and I mess up that guy that annoys me. So I limp for $3. He was in a big blind. I'm in a hijack position, and then the button makes it 23. Annoying guy calls. And just because he's calling, I'm in the hand with 9 deuce of clubs. Flop is 5 of clubs, 7 of clubs, jack of hearts. I can chase that flush now. Annoying guy checks. I check. The dealer, that's 65. Annoying guy calls, and I look at the guy on the button. He has behind maybe 85, 90. So I'm assuming on the next card, on the turn card, he's going to be all in. So in situations like that, when I know I'm not folding, I want to see that river card, I'm chasing that flush, it's going to cost me that much. Let's just at least try to eliminate the annoying guy. I'm all in. I have over 350 something, 355, 6. Surprisingly, guy on the button folds, and the annoying guy calls. Turn, 10 of spades, and the river, king of spades. I pick up my cards, try to muck, but then I turn them around because, I don't want to show 9 deuce, The annoying guy starts something mumbling, and he's not showing his hand. It took him a while, and then by one, he shows 8 of clubs, 6 of clubs. Dealer pushes me chips. I'm looking at what's going on. I win 9 high. Pot was like 850. $850 with 9 high. So he was on the same flush draw like I was. So I'm stacking chips, and he starts commenting something about my stupid play, saying that I bluffed. No, I said, I had a flush draw. I just wanted to eliminate you, actually. Well, he had the same flush draw like I did. The woman that was across of me, she said, well, basically you were making move and you got lucky. I said, no, I was not making move. I was betting on a flush draw. She goes like, you didn't have a flush draw. Yeah, I said, 9 deuce of clubs. The dealer said, no, it was deuce of spades. I said, no, 9 deuce of clubs. The guy that's on the button that was, in the hand, he goes, nope, it was deuce of spades. So now 4 of them saying that. So basically I had nothing. And it's good that flush didn't come, because I don't have a flush. I have 9 of clubs only and deuce of spades.
9 high like a boss.
Hand number 3 was from September this year at the Venetian in Las Vegas. When I got to Venetian, I put my name on the list, and I was like 8th on the list. Met Chuck, we went outside to find Jeff, and all that took like maybe 5 minutes. We went back, I look on the list, my name is missing. So I go to a girl, and I know her from before. I said, honey, hey, where's my name? She said, I was calling you a few times. I said, come on. Well, okay, we were outside, didn't hear. So she put me back on a list on the top. So I'm still chatting with Chuck, and she calls me, okay, you have a seat at table 34. So I go to table 34, I sit down, got chips, and get first hand. I looked at it, yummy. Pocket Kings, the Cowboys. Well, let's make some money here. I was under the gun +1. I raised 10. I got like 3 callers. That is $40. We see the flop. King, 8, 4, 2 diamonds. I check, kind of trapping them, giving them a chance to catch the flush. They check. Turn is ace, black ace. I check, I said, now they're gonna bet. They have ace. There's 3 of them. 1 of them has ace. No, all 3 of them check. Come on, guys, what cards are you playing? What's going on? The river, ace of diamonds. Bingo. First to act, $10. Next guy called, the other 2 fold. So he doesn't have ace or a flush. I show my cards. I even don't know what he had, it's irrelevant. The dealer yells, high hand. At the Venetian, they have a promotion, high hand. Every 30 minutes, the best hand gets $600. They put my hand on a monitor as a high hand, current high hand, and any quads or maybe full aces can beat me. But promotion is for 30 minutes, and this is 29th minute, so hardly that anybody can beat me. Manager comes like minute after, sir, you got lucky. I said, bingo. He brings 600. I cash out and leave. Adios. Think about it. I came to Venetian, put my name on the list. I missed when they called me. What if I didn't miss and they put me on table 8? I wouldn't get that bonus. I already had a video talking about this. Same thing at Venetian. How many things have to happen in order for that lucky chance, for that lucky moment that I could miss if they called my name and I heard it. Amazing what the luck is. Hand number 4 comes from West Wendover, Peppermill Casino, Utah, Nevada border. I have pocket aces. There was a under the gun straddle for $6. 1 call, I make it 18. Comes to a straddle guy, he goes all in. And he has probably about 600. I have 500 something, 550. The second guy instantaneously says, well, I call. Now let me ask you this. You have pocket aces, and there is all in and a call. Can it be better? I'm looking, I'm already spending the money. I'm winning there probably 16, 1700. I'm all in. Dealer says, show your hands if you want. The first all-in guy, he shows pocket jacks. This guy is not moving. I said, okay, he has maybe ace king or something. I show my aces. Dealer puts the board, 8 of spades, king of clubs, 8 of diamonds, 7 of clubs, 4 of hearts. Third guy shows Pocket Kings.
Wow, nice hand. All of you, nice hand.
Why me? Why is it always happening to me? How long do you have to play to have situation like this, all in, and you're sitting there with pocket aces? How many times does that happen? I hate poker. And hand number 5 comes from my poker dream, where I recreated Casino Royale, James Bond poker hand. So it's like I'm in a hand, everybody folded, I'm on a big blind, and everybody folded except the fat guy in a seat 1. He was so annoying all day and beating me on a river that I couldn't take it anymore. At that moment I was actually playing a game on my phone, trying to make a new high score. I was so close, so I didn't pay attention. The dealer was putting flop and I said check blind so I can play the game. The turn card was another spade. I just said check blind and the fat guy checks. Well, then comes the river. I said he must have this one. So I looked at my hand and that moment he bets $5. But he said with fake East LA accent, what you gonna do, Colonel? I looked at him. At that moment, I beat my best score and have a new record and just keep playing. And I said with fake accent, my name is Inigo Montoya. You killed my father. Prepare to die. I know, that's from a different movie, but that's the first thing that came to my mind. I looked back at my hand and I said, I'm all in. He laughs and he, again with that his accent, he said, who do you think you are, Esse? I call. And he slams. Full house. I look at him and slowly turn my hand. I said, straight flush, Esse. Oh, and by the way, new record is over 170,000. I like. And in a couple of days, we're in a new year. I wish you a lot of luck and mucho dineros on the felt. Some also for me. Goodbye for now and see you next year.